Keeping the increasing number of coronavirus cases in mind, the municipal corporations of Mumbai Metropolitan Region, except Mumbai Municipal Corporation and Vasai Virar Municipal Corporation, all the other corporations in the urban belt have decided and declared a 10 days complete lockdown. Right now we are in Thane city, and in Thane the 10 days lockdown started from 7 in the morning of 2nd of July, and as of now you can see that there is some police bandobast, you can see some cops are there, you can see some barricading is there. The cops are there to ensure that every single guideline mentioned in the order of Thane Municipal Corporation for this 10 days lockdown is followed, is adhered to. Now talking about Mumbai Metropolitan Region, talking about cities like Thane, Navi Mumbai, Panvel, Mira Road, Bhayandar, why exactly these cities are so important? We are talking about Mumbai Metropolitan Region. It is one of the biggest urban belt in the entire country. It is, for the viewers who are not from Mumbai, this is on the lines of Delhi NCR. This is what Delhi NCR is for the northern part of the country. Mumbai Metropolitan Region is for the southern part of the country. And we are talking about a population of more than 50 lakh. So if we keep the population of Mumbai aside from this entire belt, the rest of the population of the region is more than 50 lakhs. Coming to another question, the important question here is that when the entire country is actually now unlocking, why these corporations had to go back in time and impose a complete lockdown. Now talking about why exactly this happened, some of the explanations which the government will have to give is that when the entire focus was on Mumbai, the infrastructure, the man force, everything, the workforce, everything was focusing on Mumbai. Were these satellite cities attached to Mumbai? Were these cities ignored? Was enough attention not given to these cities? And again, talking about what was done by the administration of these cities during that lockdown, because one of the purpose of the lockdown was actually to enhance the health infrastructure, do proper screening, rapid testing. Were these things not done? And another question will be, what exactly is the plan of the administration now to do during these 10 days of lockdown? Because remember, lockdown is not the solution. Lockdown is one way to contain the spread, but it is nothing more than pushing the whole situation by 10 days or by few days. The question is that the real things, the real solutions like rapid testing, timely contact tracing, proper screening, and following and implementing strict guidelines in the containment zones, was that not being done early? Was that not done earlier, and will that be done now? Otherwise, what will be the point of this 10 days lockdown? In Thane, with camera person Nilesh Dev Pathak, this is Santya for Mirror Now.